So let's start from here. So this is something which is good news for everyone, right? Those who want to do internship with Digital India, okay, they are hiring for a lot of things. So you can check out Digital India is they have started a internship scheme for 2025. This is a kind of summer scheme, something, right? So you can gain hands-on experience. You can work on some good projects, and this is what exactly they told. And there is cybersecurity as well. So this is the URL intern.meti.gov. Meti is basically Ministry of Electronics slash login from where you can register and you can apply for the things accordingly, right? So just check out this URL. Let me know if you got selected or something, and we can start. So now the next one, there is a company Info Perspect. Okay, so they are hiring for SOC L1, which is for freshers. Freshers means भाई कम से कम एक साल का experience होना चाहिए. Otherwise, no one is going to give you a seat. L1, L2, L3 SOC. Okay, you can send your resume on career.info percept.com, right? So, and this is the website, and this is contact number basically where you want to ask if you have any questions or something. So just check it out, and you can drop your resume because this is for all, right? Anyone can apply, but knowledge should be there, right? The next one is Ambus Solution. So there is a company called Ambus Solution. They are hiring for again web application pen tester. They want a IT security engineer actually, and there are a couple of skills which is required. Okay, so, security operations, email like web firewall, all those things. It's a Dubai based job. It will be 8 month contractual based job, and compensation will be around 15K AD, American. I don't know. It's kind of Dubai currency. Okay. And immediate joining self. So this is for female only. So apply accordingly. Now next one is Infotech Manis. Okay, Infotech Manis is hiring for VAPT professional. They want minimum 1.5 years experience, then 4 years of experience, right? A skill which is required is web API network mobile application security. They want you to be familiar with the Nessus, Metasploit, and Bobs, which is pretty common. They are the very basic tool that we have in the cybersecurity, and you should have knowledge about secure code review as well. Notice period is around 0 to 30 days. Matlab, suppose if you are working in any company and if you wants to work here, then within 30 days you need to leave your job, right? This is what exactly notice period means. Mail ID is prachi.g@protechmanias.com. Now next one is TTI group. They want a cyber security analyst. 24 into 7 is associate center. Like their associate center is operating 24 into 7. This is not something. If someone is thinking like 24 into 7, you are fool. Actually, associate center runs 24 into 7 itself because they need to monitor entire thing. Anyways, they want a cyber security analyst. Associate 24 into 7 corp operations are there, right? And requirement are minimum vocational high school SMBA graduate should be there. All notice basic knowledge are there actually, Linux administration and all those things. This is the QR code on which you can scan and apply accordingly, right? Color is same. Wow. Anyways, this is how you can apply, right? Next one is this is a mail ID also. This is the actually URL, right? The URL from where you can apply. Next one is, yeah, again Protect magazine. They are hiring for the same. I already told you. Next one is CyberNX is hiring for GRC consultant. Freshers experience both can apply, right? Scan the QR code to apply for this job. That's all for today, and congratulations to someone very special for something very special. Anyways, let me make this. You may ask you questions if you have anything.